So how do trees take advantage of opportunities like this tree fall gap here, or respond to damage that takes place? Well, the standard way in which trees grow is a process called iteration. So if we look at this U here, look below my thumb, and you can see it's a paler green colour, and that is last year's growth. And then going back to here, there's here, you can see the scars. That was the year before's growth. So you can see the pattern of growth is the same each year. It's an iteration every year. But there's a different strategy in which the plants basically regrow their sapling stage, their juvenile stage, and this is called reiteration. So if you look here, you can see, unlike that flat growth outwards with branches coming out, you have this growth going vertically up, producing whorls of branches as it goes up, and it's going up into the canopy. And you see here, the same's occurring here and over there. So they're taking advantage of the light produced by the windfall gap and then growing out to produce new growth in that gap. This also applies as a response to damage. So if you look at these yew trees here, all doing fine, but then something's happened here whereby this branch has fallen down, that branch has died, this branch here has been pushed all the way down, but it's had the advantage that it's now growing out into the more open area. Yew trees in Britain tend to grow on slopes with shallow, dry soils and don't seem to do well, don't seem to germinate and survive in these flatter areas. But it's taking advantage of this by growing this new trunk here, and that's going upwards, taking advantage of the light. And there's another one over there doing exactly the same thing. And my span of my hand is about 18 centimeters. So this is round about 40 centimeters in diameter, grows about 2 centimeters a year. You grows quite slowly, perhaps a bit less. So this probably happened about 20 years ago. So we can date when this accident probably happened. And then similarly for the trees down, the reiteration here, you can see that these are enormously smaller, just centimeters, suggesting that this tree fall occurred just a few years ago. So when tree falls occur, classically there's regrowth of some of the damaged trees. You can see the sycamore has been damaged but is regrowing. There's might be seedlings growing, or the seedlings already there growing up, or seeds germinating and growing. But particularly what we're concentrating on here is the trees around the edge will reiterate and grow and take advantage of that opportunity, and so fill in the edge of the tree fall gap.